Welcome to Happy Hands and Hearts. The logic of data. In our previous fragment, we learned that AI is a pattern seeker. But what is it looking at? The answer is data. To understand AI, you must first understand that data is simply reality translated into numbers. Every time you take a photo, move your mouse, or speak to a friend, you are creating a digital footprint. Data is the process of taking the messy, physical world and turning it into a language the machine can process, bits and bytes. There are two types of data logic. The first is structured data. Think of this like a perfectly organized spice rack. It is numbers in a spreadsheet, your age, the price of a loaf of bread, or the temperature outside. It is easy for machines to read. The second is unstructured data. This is the world we live in: emails, videos, and human speech. This data is messy and hidden. The true superpower of modern AI is its ability to find the hidden structure in this mess. It takes the unstructured noise of human life and finds the mathematical signal underneath. How does a machine see an object? It uses features. If we want a machine to understand a chair, we feed it data points. Does it have legs? Does it have a back? Is it made of wood? Each of these is a feature. In the logic of data, a chair is not a thing, it is a collection of high-probability features. When you provide more data, you are giving the machine more features to look at. This is why AI needs massive amounts of information. It needs to know which features are essential and which are just noise. The most important logic in data is this: the output is only as good as the input. Computer scientists call this GIGO, garbage in, garbage out. If you train an AI on data that is biased, incorrect, or hateful, the AI will build its patterns based on those flaws. It doesn't have a moral heart, it only has the logic of the data it was fed. This is why anybody can learn AI starts with understanding data responsibility. We are the ones who choose what the machine eats. We are the guardians of the truth it learns. Logic is universal. Tools are temporary. Data is the bridge between the physical world we touch and the digital world we build. In our next fragment, we will look at the guardians of this data, the logic of firewalls. Thank you for joining Happy Hands and Hearts.